In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for personal productivity. If you're looking to streamline your tasks and enhance your organizational skills, Trello is an excellent tool to consider. Let's dive into the steps to set up your Trello board effectively. First, open your web browser and go to Trello.com. Once there, you'll need to locate the Login button in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will redirect you to the Login page. Trello offers several options for logging in, but using your Google account can be the most straightforward way, especially if you're already a regular user of other Google services. However, feel free to choose any other method that works for you, whether it's through another email provider or a password-linked account. Once you're logged in, it's time to create your first Trello board. You'll find a Create button on the interface. Click on it and select Create Board. This is where you'll organize all your tasks, so think of it as your digital workspace. Give your board a meaningful name. Something like Weekly Planner works well if you plan to use it to organize weekly tasks. After naming your board, click the Create button again to set it up. Now that your board is ready, it's time to add lists. Picture these lists as categories or stages for your tasks. Click on Add a List and type in the names for your lists. Common ones might be To Do, In Progress, and Completed, which can help you track the status of your tasks at a glance. Once you've named a list, click Add List to bring it to life on your board. With your lists in place, the next step involves adding the tasks themselves. Under each list, you'll see an Add a Card option. Click it to start entering your tasks. Cards are essentially your to-dos. For example, you might type in Buy Groceries or Read a Book. After typing the name of your card, simply click outside of it to save. Voila, you've created your first task card. Trello doesn't just stop at simple task creation, it boasts a host of features that can further polish your productivity. Feel free to explore functionalities such as descriptions, due dates, and labels. These elements allow you to add more context to your tasks, set deadlines, or categorize them by priority and type for better organization. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've set up a practical, personalized Trello board that can help manage your day-to-day activities effectively. Keep exploring the platform and adjust your board as your needs evolve. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing with Trello.